Fatima. I'm so excited that you're here for another video. Happy New Year, you all. It is 2022 and I hope that you all had a happy and safe New Year. It's time to tackle another year and just be happy and blessed and in good health. So all my luxe lovers, today I am doing my first ever Balenciaga unboxing, and I'm super excited to share this bag with y'all because this is a bag that has been on my wish list for a very long time. Before we get into the video, if you're an oldie but a goodie, welcome back, and if you're new, welcome to Simply Fatima, where we talk about all things luxury and luxury handbags. If you have not yet subscribed, go ahead and subscribe because we're a lit family over here. And also turn on your bell's notifications so that you will never miss an upload from me. So without further ado, let's get right into today's video. So like I mentioned in the intro, I am doing my first ever Balenciaga unboxing. I am super excited to share with you all what I got. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox the bag, and I'll give you all a background story on how I got this bag and why I wanted this bag. So to make things easier, I did open up the box. I pulled the little pull tab that's on here to make opening the box easier. If you all are familiar with the FFs on the bag, I did order this bag, or the FFs on the box, excuse me. I did order this bag off of Farfetch, and it came really quickly, by the way. So when I open up the box, you just get basically your receipt and a return label, because you will return your item in the Farfetch box. So that's easy and convenient. The packaging wasn't overwhelming. It was actually very underwhelming. Farfetch gave me this black dust bag, and the bag actually came in its own Balenciaga dust bag, which is white. So I got two dust bags. And for the moment of truth, if you are ready to see the bag, 3, 2, 1, I purchased, but this is the Balenciaga Metallic Edge Classic Small AJ bag, and it is basically on Farfetch's website they say it is like a remodel of the classic Balenciaga Metallic Edge City bag, even though it looks exactly like the original ones that came out back in the early 2000s, mid 2000s, but it literally looks the exact same. So you see my bag is in black leather, and it has the gold hardware. This is the metallic edge bag, so everything, all the original hardware is like edged out and like this metallic gold plating, which is really cool. I had seen a lot of these bags on the pre-loved market, and I would always want to purchase one, but I did a lot of research by watching YouTube videos, and I wanted to know the differences in sizes. The original metallic classic city bag, it's a larger bag, well, without the S, it's a larger bag. It's a huge bag actually. And then you have my size, which is the small, which is a size smaller than the original design of the classic Balenciaga bag. And then you have a mini size, and then after mini you have nano. So there's tons of sizes. On the pre-loved market, the size small can be a hit or miss. They come and go, but you do find the classic standard Balenciaga city bag size floating around the pre-loved market. These bags come in so many different colorways, different hardware designs. So mine is the metallic edge. You can get some with the giant hardware. You can get the classic motocross look. The bag does come with a functional front pocket with the long tassel, and I have not taken off all of the wrapping yet, so I went ahead and took the tag off of it and the plastic that was on the bag, you can see it is literally the classic Balenciaga style. The strap is detachable. Ooh. The strap is detachable. You attach it and detach it on either end of the bag, and it is an adjustable strap as well. The bag's zipper track looks just like this. It goes all the way from one end to the other. My zipper track is gold. Both of my zipper pulls have tassels on them. So we're just gonna unzip the bag and we're gonna look inside. This is my first time seeing inside. So my bag still has all of its stuffing. And you open it up and it's one large compartment with a zip pocket in the back. You all, I love the Balenciaga City bags. I have been wanting one of these bags for a long time. I've been looking at them on the pre-loved market for a very long time as well, but I just never found one that I really liked. And then one day, no, last week, after Christmas, something was like, just go on the Farfetch website, see what they have. I looked on the pre-loved part of Farfetch, and then I also just clicked on the Balenciaga button under bags on Farfetch, and then I stumbled across this beauty right here. This beauty has never been used. This is brand new. I checked the website a couple of days ago and these bags are still available if you're interested in one. I'm not a huge fan of the new Balenciaga bags that they have out because they look a little way too structured for my liking. I prefer the slouchier soft leather of the classic Balenciaga bags, and we all know the older the bag gets, the slouchier it gets, and I just love it. If you haven't watched my latest video, if you're watching this video, go back and watch that video, and I mentioned how I'm getting into bags that aren't really like flashy with like logos and all that kind of stuff, and this is one of those it bags. Like the girls who know and the girls who don't. And so I just love how like this is just like one of those edgy bags. It's a really cool bag. If people see it, they're just like, oh wow, that's a really cool bag. And like I said, the it girls know, and if they don't know, they don't. But you all know this is a Balenciaga bag. I absolutely love this bag. It is so gorgeous, so pretty. I know I'm gonna get so much wear out of it. The bag is huge. It can fit my daily essentials and then some extra. I'm glad I went with this size because I think the mini would have been too small and the classic size would have just been way too big. So this is a perfect in-between size, especially for somebody with my stature. And I love how I can wear this top handle. I love how I can wear it crossbody. This is just a beautiful bag. I realized I didn't give you all the specs, so let me just give you all the specs really quickly. So this is according to the Farfetch website, that this metallic edge classic city small Balenciaga bag is a revamped version of the classic city bag. It has supple black leather with gold tone trims and is spacious enough to house all of your precious daily essentials. It is width, it is 11.8 inches. Height, it is 7.1 inches. The handle is 3.9 inches. The depth is 3.9 inches, and the strap is 22 inches. And I love this bag. I'm so excited to wear her. I'm loving how I'm starting to get more variety in my collection as well, so that's really exciting for me. And just let me know if you own a Balenciaga bag, if you own a classic city bag or metallic edge classic city bag. Comment that down in the comments down below. I really do feel like these bags are going to make a comeback. I know when I used to watch Keeping Up with the Kardashians, now I see Kim and Khloe wearing their Balenciagas, and I just knew that one day I wanted to have a Balenciaga bag, and my dream is now a reality, and I'm super happy. This is a timeless piece. It's a classic piece. I don't think it's ever gonna go out. I think this bag is still an it bag, and I think that this year and moving forward, these bags are going to come back like with a bang. So I'm gonna leave the link to this bag in the description box down below. If you like content like this, please let me know. Please give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you are subscribed to this YouTube channel. Also, make sure you follow me on Instagram, because lately Instagram has been seeing sneak peeks of everything before everybody else. So make sure you are following me on Instagram at _simplyfatima_loves luxury. And Happy New Year's once again. And until next time, my loves, I will talk to you guys later. Bye. Mwah.